Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss semester 6th cluster paper 8th B2 importance of industrial inorganic materials of industrial importance. Topic recapitulation of S and P block elements. This is unit 1 chapter. In periodic table there are 18 groups and 7 periods. There are 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. Today we have to discuss S block and P block. ఈరోజు మనము ఎస్ బ్లాక్ మరియు పి బ్లాక్ మూలకాల గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. మొదటిగా ఎస్ బ్లాక్. In S block, the s orbital has 2 electrons. That's why this block is containing 2 groups, first A and second A. First A groups, the starting element is hydrogen and the last element is francium. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. These elements are also known as alkali metals. And the next second A group, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These elements are known as alkali earth metals. Next, P block elements. P orbital has 6 electrons, so it has 6 groups. P block లో P ఆర్బిటాలు 6 ఎలక్ట్రాన్లను కలిగి ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి దీనిలో 6 గ్రూపులు ఉన్నాయి. మొదటిగా 13 గ్రూప్ ఆర్ థర్డ్ ఏ: బోరాన్, అల్యూమినియం, gallium, indium, thallium. These elements are belongs to third A group elements. And the next group is 14th group or fourth A group: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. These elements are belongs to fourth A group elements. And the next group is 15th group or fifth A group: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. These elements are belongs to 5th A group elements. And the next one is 16th group or 6th A group: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. These elements are belongs to 6th A group elements. Next one, 17th group or 7th A group: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. These elements are belongs to 7th A group elements. And the last group is 18th groups or 8th A group: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. 6th A group elements are known as chalcogen family. 7th A group elements are known as halogens, and the last group, 8th A group elements, are known as noble gases. Today we have to discuss properties of these block elements. The first property is electronic configuration. So S block has 2 groups. First A group, the electronic configuration is NS1. Next, second A group, NS2. Next, P block elements has 6 groups. The first group is third A group. The electronic configuration is NS2, NP1. And the next group, fourth A group, the electronic configuration is NH2 NP2. The next group, fifth A group, NH2 NP3. And the next group, sixth A group, the electronic configuration is NH2 NP4. And the next group, seventh A group, the electronic configuration is NH2 NP5. And the final group, 8th A group, the electronic configuration is NH2 NP6. Next, the second property, atomic radius. Paramanu Vyasardhamu. Atomic radius of an element defined as the distance from the center of the nucleus of the atom to its outermost shell. ఒక పరమాణు యొక్క కేంద్రకము నుంచి బాహ్య కర్పరానికి మధ్య గల దూరాన్నే పరమాణు వ్యాసార్థము అంటాము. ఈ పరమాణు వ్యాసార్థము గురించి see in this figure. Here the dotted line, the dark dotted point is indicated the nucleus of the atom. This round circle is indicated the outermost shell. The distance between that nucleus to outermost shell is known as atomic radius. Next, atomic radius is measured in pm, picometers. పరమాణు వ్యాసార్థాన్ని పైకోమీటర్స్లో కొలుస్తారు. 1 pm ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10⁻⁻12 meters. Next, for example, the internuclear distance between the two non-bonded chlorine atoms is equal to 350 pm. Therefore, atomic radius of chlorine atom RCl is equal to 350 by 2 is equal to 175 pm. Next, another one is variation of atomic radius in group. Variation of the atomic radius in a group. In a group, from top to bottom, atomic radius increases due to the atomic number of the element increases from top to bottom. Therefore, the number of shells is to be increased. Next, the second one is atomic radius in variation of atomic radii in period. In a period from left to right, atomic radius decreases gradually. As we move from left to right, atomic number increases, but the differentiating electron entered into the same orbit. At the same time, the nuclear charge increases. Next, examples. ఉదాహరణలు చూద్దాం. Group 1, first lithium, atomic radius in pm 152, sodium 186, potassium 231, rubidium 244, cesium 262. The last element, cesium, has bigger atomic radii. So in this group, the bigger element is cesium. And the another example, group 17, fluorine, the atomic radii is 64, chlorine 99, bromine 114, iodine 133, 80, astatinium 140. So in this group, astatinium is a bigger atomic radii. Therefore, this one is the bigger element in that group. Next one, last, allotropy, రూపాంతరత. ఏదైనా ఒక మూలకం ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువ భౌతిక రూపాలలో లభించినట్లయితే దానిని మనం రూపాంతరత లేదా బహురూపకత అంటారు. An element exhibits in different physical forms is known as allotropy, and the forms are known as allotropic forms. In this, we have to discuss the allotropic forms of the carbon, phosphorus, and sulfur. First, we have to discuss allotropic forms of carbon. కార్బన్ యొక్క వివిధ రూపాంతరాలను మనం పరిశీలిద్దాం. కార్బన్ ఎగ్జిట్స్ ఇన్ two types of allotropic forms. The first one is crystallinic forms. Examples are diamond, graphite, fullerenes. And the second one's amorphous forms. The examples are animal charcoal, wood charcoal, sugar charcoal, carbon black, and finally lamp black. Next, another one, allotropic forms of phosphorus. ఫాస్ఫరస్ యొక్క రూపాంతరాలను పరిశీలిద్దాం. ఫాస్ఫరస్ ఎగ్జిట్స్ ఇన్ 3 allotropic ఫార్మ్స్. ఫాస్ఫరస్ 3 రూపాంతరాలలో లభించింది. మొదటిగా తెల్ల ఫాస్ఫరస్, 2 ఎర్ర ఫాస్ఫరస్, 3 నల్ల ఫాస్ఫరస్. వైట్ ఫాస్ఫరస్, రెడ్ ఫాస్ఫరస్, బ్లాక్ ఫాస్ఫరస్. అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ allotropic ఫార్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ సల్ఫర్. సల్ఫర్ యొక్క వివిధ రూపాంతరాలను పరిశీలిద్దాం. మొదటిగా ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ఆల్ఫా ఆర్ రాంబిక్ సల్ఫర్, అండ్ ద సెకండ్ వన్ ఈస్ బీటా మోనోక్లినిక్ సల్ఫర్, అండ్ ద థర్డ్ వన్ ఈస్ గామా మోనోక్లినిక్ సల్ఫర్, అండ్ ద ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఈస్ ఎంజిల్ సల్ఫర్, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ plastic sulfur or Zeiss sulfur. Thank you.